Hi everyone, let's talk about the word zero in. Maraming nangyayari sa buhay natin and maraming distractions. Pero we have to zero in, meaning we have to focus on the things that what is really matters most to us. Ano ba yung napaka-importante para sa atin? Kasi huwag na nating hayaan na we exert time, effort to sa mga bagay na hindi naman talaga natin kailangan or hindi naman talaga ganun ka-importante sa atin. Because sa panahon ngayon, we have to use the skills that God given to us. And we have to zero in on the things that make us most the best one. Kung ano yung nagiging dahilan para maging the best tayo. Mahirap kasi we focus on the things, we zero on the things that we know. We know that it is important. Pero when we evaluate those things, hindi pala. Akala natin yun pala yung mahalaga, akala natin yun pala yung importante, akala natin yun pala yung makakapagpasaya sa atin. But hindi pala. Ang laki pala ng oras na nasasayang natin to give time and effort sa mga bagay na wala naman palang kakwenta-kwenta at wala naman ganun ka-impact. So, we have to create or decide things that impactful sa buhay natin ngayon. Lalo na time is running. Hindi natin alam hanggang kailan tayo. We don't know when tayo magstay sa mundong ginagalawan natin. And we have to make sure that things alam mo yun, really going well. At ikaw lang makakapag-decide yan. You have to zero in on the things that matters most. Huwag mo hayaan na masayang yung buhay, yung time, yung effort na meron ka. Zero in on the things that makes you really develop and makes who you are.